Hello everyone, I am Product Manager Brian in IEI, and today I'm going to introduce our latest network appliance, PUZZLE-IN005, the innovative 5G MEC solution. And 5G has three major points, the eMMB, URLLC, and MTC. The eMMB enhanced mobile broadband. It provides extreme high throughput compared to 4G, from 1 gigabit per second enhanced to 20 gigabit per second, and it's 20 times improvement. The URLLC, ultra reliable low latency communications. The latency in 4G is 10 milliseconds, and in 5G it improved to 1 millisecond. And it's 10 times improvement. The MMTC, massive machine type communications. In the past, the connected device is only 1,000 in a kilo square area, but now we can connect up to millions devices. And for the enterprise customer, they can put those advantages into their company, which is 5G private network. And for the 5G, IEI has several product series to support different stage of application. The end devices, on-premise edge, the 5G private network, and the core network. And here I'm focusing on 5G private network, the MEC, which is multi-access edge computing with our latest network appliance, PUZZLE-IN005. And also it can do on cybersecurity for other applications. And how 5G private network works. In the past, the devices need to connect to the specific function server to collect data and control factories. If the device up to thousands, it needs to wire thousands cables or dedicate router to connect devices. And now use 5G technology. It simplifies the connection. We can connect all devices to 5G RAN and the MEC first. With this structure, we can achieve the 5G's advantage, high bandwidth, low latency, and massive connect devices, especially for the automation and the robot control in the factory. The latency is critical, so based on 5G private network, we have the great environment to implement more and more automation devices. And from 4G to 5G, the virtualization is also a key improvement. Here it called network slicing. We can slice the hardware resources for different applications with virtualization function. With virtualization function, we can have more flexibility to deploy your applications. And while I just shared the 5G private network, the most important key part is 5G MEC. And the IEI brand new product, PUZZLE-IN005, aimed for MEC application. With PUZZLE-IN005 hardware flexible expansion capability and the virtualization software such as NFV, SDN, and network slicing to fulfill different application scenario. About the PUZZLE-IN005 features, the system implements dual third generation Xeon scalable processor and 20 memory slots, a module slot for network expansion, and the UDA2 NVMe support. Also, PUZZLE-IN005 support Intel QAT to accelerate data encryption and decryption performance. It can up to 100 gigabit throughput. And PUZZLE-IN005 can fit to different applications. The UCPE, the Universal Network Devices, for general purpose. MEC, the 5G network key component for high bandwidth, low latency, low latency, and massive connectivity. And the AI server, with the powerful CPU capability, it can do various AI applications. Okay, for the PUZZLE-IN005, IEI implements Intel third generation Xeon scalable platform Ice Lake SP. It's the first server-grade CPU with 10 nanometer technology, and the support for 64 lanes PCIe Gen 4 signal. Compared to the previous generation, the core count from 28 upgrade to 40, and the memory from 6 channel upgrade to 8 channels, and support up to 6 terabyte memory capacity. And for the network application, it has diverse selections. So we designed a flexible expansion capability system with a network module slot. We can use different modules based on customer demand. Also, there is a PCIe expansion with standard PCIe by A slot for the AI accelerator or other add-on card, and for improving performance and efficiency. As I mentioned, PUZZLE-IN005 has a network module expansion, and the IEI provide diversity network module for choosing. We have 1G, 10G, 25G, and 100G modules that the customer can choose. And you can get more information on our website. Okay, for high-speed data transfer, the storage speed is also very important. PUZZLE-IN005 leverage PCIe Gen 4 signal to design and support U.2 NVMe form factor SSD. And we could compare the different type SSD speed. The Gen 4 U.2 can reach 7,000 megabytes and megabyte transfer speed. And the Gen 3 U.2 is only 3,200. It's around 2 times improvement. And if we compare to SATA, it's around 10 times faster. Such a high-speed transmission speed, we could deploy to the AI or MEC edge, which requires high performance in data swap. Okay, and here is the summary for PUZZLE-IN005. It supports Intel Quick Assist technology with 100 gigabit encryption and decryption performance. Designed with 8 network modules expansions, and provide diverse selections and different combinations. And the PCIe Gen 4 provide double bandwidth and double speed. The last, U.2 NVMe provide extremely high speed of storage. Okay, the PUZZLE-IN005, which based on Intel third generation Ice Lake Xeon scalable processor, with the powerful CPU capability, it's also suitable to implement it to other applications, except the 5G application, which I mainly focused. The cybersecurity UCPE for network infrastructure, or for the edge computing application. All applications are suitable to implement on our PUZZLE-IN005, the network appliance system. Okay, that's all I shared today. And if you have questions or need more information, please scan the QR code in the right side and refer to our official website. And thank you for your listening.